It's Eric from Credit Wit, powered by Better Qualified. We're going to talk about the fourth part of a credit score. It's only 10%. It's still 10%. What is it? What do you think it is? What's left? What's left in there? Right? You have types of credit. How many types of credit are there? There's two. You have revolving and you have installment. What's the difference? Revolving. Think of it, it's a revolver, it's changing. So if the payment changes based on what the size of the principal is, so your payment goes down as your principal gets smaller, like on a credit card, everyone has a credit card. If you have a credit card and your payment becomes smaller, that's a revolving debt, okay? An installment debt doesn't change. So if you have a car, right? You have a student loan, you have a mortgage, if it's a fixed mortgage, that rate stays the same, right? So the payment never changes. That's an installment. Revolving, it changes. Those are big part of your credit score. You want to have a little bit of each. So have some credit cards, 2 or 3. Have a student loan if you actually have to go to, get one for school. It's not a bad thing. It's going to help your credit. Get a car, lease, and also buying it. It's going to help your credit score. Tip for the day. See you soon. Bye-bye.